how he was evil, how he has a red lightsaber, and how he is Luke Skywalker's father. But I bet you didn't know that he was also good at jigsaws. Let's see what he can do. Good luck, Darth. Well done, Darth Vader. You've completed the bottom line. I wonder if you can do the rest. You underestimate the power of the dark side.
Darth?
Yes. What's up?
Why do you want to do a jigsaw now?
Well, believe it or not, I love jigsaws. And if you're patient, you will see that I will complete it all using the power of the dark side. Ha ha ha.
Good. Darth Vader,
Yes? What's up, Jackson?
what are you doing jigsaws for?
Because I enjoy doing them. It gives me pleasure.
Darth,
Yes, Max? What do you need to know?
why do you always like jigsaws?
Jigsaws I can do. And because I can do them, I do them again. And I do them again. And I do them again. I practice. Just like I had to practice the dark side of the Force.
You sure not going?
Well, it's too late now.
Darth,
Yes.
why do you want to do a jigsaw?
I've told you before, I enjoy them and I get pleasure out of them.
Why do you get pleasure out of them?
Because I like to see something completed from the beginning.
Why?
It's just like my plans to take over the universe.
Why?
I enjoy power. I have power over these jigsaw pieces.
Why? Why do you have the power over the jigsaws?
Because I am a part of the dark side.
Why do you always jigsaws for, Darth Vader?
I have told you before, young Jackson. I enjoy the power over things, whether they be animate or inanimate objects. I hope that answer will suffice.
Darth?
Yes, Max.
Why aren't they heavy for you?
Hang on a sec and I will answer your question. Now, ask your question again, Max.
Why aren't they heavy for you?
Because I am full of power from the dark side. I am more powerful than you can possibly imagine. That is why. There now, it is complete. Now you cannot underestimate the powers within me. That is why I have joined the dark side. So I can do jigsaws.
Why do you do dark side?
Because that is the essence of who I am.
But why do you get diesel for?
Diesel? What's a diesel?
This.
Show me, bring it to me. That is a diesel?
Yep.
I will show you what I can do with a diesel. Now I will throw this away and show you my power. Do you see now? Do you understand? That is why. I hope you also like the jigsaw. Bye.